Hey everyone, in this video I am going to walk you through a complete guide on how to turn off voicemail on iPhone running iOS 18 through the mobile settings. Whether you find it annoying or just want to free up some storage, I've got you covered. So let's get into it. Here's how to turn off voicemail directly from your iPhone settings. First open the setting apps. Then tap on the settings app on your phone screen, then navigate to phone settings. Scroll down and select phone. Then tap call forwarding and make sure it's turned off. This prevents your iPhone from forwarding missed calls to voicemail. Then go to settings, notifications, phone, then turn off notification for voicemail to avoid these alerts. If the basic settings don't work, try these alternatives. Block voicemail with focus mode. Use focus mode to silence calls and avoid voicemail prompts. Record a greetings that politely informs caller that you do not accept voicemail. And that's it. These are the best ways to turn off voicemail on iOS 18 using just your iPhone settings. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.